Fujidenzo has established itself on a foundation of quality and sets itself apart from other competition with its great combination of affordable pricing and useful features. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng mga gamit para sa inyong negosyo o kahit sa bahay lang, Fujidenzo's dual compartment chest freezer might just be the one you're looking for. Fujidenzo offers 2 years warranty on parts, 1 year on service at 5 years sa compressor. Usually kasi, it's a single compartment which can be used either as a chiller or freezer. Pero, Fujidenzo's newest product allows you to use it both as a chiller and as a freezer at the same time. Meron siyang freezing chamber and cooling chamber. One is good for storing all your frozen goods, while the other can be used for your beverages. Fujidenzo's dual compartment chest freezer ay perfect para sa iba't ibang types of businesses. Tunay nga naman na ang Fujidenzo ay laging nagbibigay sa inyo ng mga produktong mapagkakatiwalaan at may mataas na quality. Fujidenzo home and commercial appliances are available in all leading appliance stores nationwide. If you want to know more about our products, please visit our website at www.exotech.com.ph and please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/FujidenzoAppliances. Fujidenzo, quality above all.